Hey, do you want to spend your whole life stressed out about money? Do you want to spend your whole life stressed out about money? Because I have people, friends of mine, that for years they've been stressed out about money. They were stressed out about money when they were 15, when they were 30, when they were 40. I mean, they'll spend the rest of their life stressed out about money. And there's only two things that you can do to eliminate this. Two things. Number one, and this is the most important, is understand if money can fix it, it's not a problem. And let that sink in. You know, I have a grandson. He'll never walk. He'll never talk. He's a great joy to our family. But he's a teenager. He'll never walk, never talk, live his life in a wheelchair. And all the money in the world cannot fix that problem, that challenge. That's a real problem. If money can fix it, it's not a problem. And you've got to really wrap your mind around that. The second thing is you need to understand how you can go out and in 30 days create $1,000 anytime you need it. And there's multiple ways to do that. But there's some people that are 45 years old, and if they had to make $1,000 this month that wasn't related to some type of job, they wouldn't have a clue what to do. I have 3 daughters. They all know how to buy, sell, flip on eBay. They all know how to use Facebook Marketplace to create cash on demand when they need it in the case of an emergency. So there's only two things you can do. And again, don't live your whole life, the rest of your life, always constantly in the back of your mind, stressed out about money. Number one, understand it's just no big deal. If money can fix it, it's not a real problem. And number two is learn how to make a few hundred or a few $1,000s on demand. And there's multiple ways to do it. Learn something that works for you and have that peace of mind, because life's too short. Life's too short. Don't spend the rest of your life worrying about money. My name is Dale Calvert. I appreciate you listening, and I hope I've shared something here that will help you think about this, because it's too short. The teaching is in the words, but the learning is in the silence. So think about this. You can learn multiple ways to create income at onlineauctionu.com. onlineauctionu.com.